What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to bring you something that I found Goodwill hunting, and it's coming up to you next on this episode.
Welcome
of
to noprosrc.
Okay guys, so what we have here is a Kawasaki Ninja that was manufactured back in 1996, I believe, is what I saw on eBay. Yeah, I found this when I was doing some Goodwill hunting about a couple of weekends ago. And long story short, I saw the controller here in one location, but I didn't see the bike. So I put the controller back, and then I thought to myself, well, who would donate the controller without the bike? So the bike has to be in the store somewhere. So I grabbed it real quick, and then I ran back and grabbed the controller, and the price was only $7.49. So I said, hey, okay, why not? But when I got it home, I don't have anything to charge this battery. I don't even know if this battery works. I may have to go online and see if I can find a battery for this to charge it up. I tried charging it with one of the chargers I had here, and it said it was charged, but when I put it in the motorcycle, it did not work. The controller takes a 9-volt, which I already have in here. There is no lights on here anywhere that indicates that it's turned on or off or what have you. The man that rides the bike is missing, and I checked on eBay, as you can see here while I'm scrolling down. The prices for this guy is ridiculous. The cheapest one I found, I believe, is this one right here that you can see. So that price plus shipping, I'm still debating whether to get it. I really want to try this guy out to see how it, see how it runs for something that was made back in 1996. I really want to get the new one out that's out right now, but that's just not in the budget at this moment in time. But one day we'll get there. But anyway, looking at the details on this guy, it's a ZX-7R. As I said before, it's a Kawasaki Ninja. You know what they call a crotch rocket? It definitely looks dated. You can tell it's not the crotch rockets of today.
2024.
But for
Ninja
something that was made back in
650.
1996, you would think, oh wow, yeah, that's pretty cool. But turning her around, you can see she has dual lights in the front. This looks like they had some fun with it. She has a lot of scratches on here. This wheel do turn, and it has a gyro in here to keep her steady. Here's where the battery goes, and the battery cover is also missing. But the prices I see that it's going for on eBay, it's like, wow, that's interesting. Wondering if it had like a license plate here, or if this lights up, or even if the headlights light up. That I'm not really sure. But when I put the battery in, such as like this, and just hold it right there and turn it on, I get no lights, I get nothing. Not saying that these do light up, but it should have some kind of indication that it's on. And this the 9-volt battery is in here, and you press the gas, nothing. And apparently this has turbo on this controller. The controller is it's pretty funny. It reminds me of the 80s and the 90s RC. As you can see, it does have that wonky wire antenna. All the stickers and everything. No lights, just a bunch of stickers, a bunch of decorations, and a fake gauge. But for the time, that's what we had back then. If you have this, Let me know, how is it? Is it truly turbo? How's the handling? Do you crash a lot? Is the guy or the man needed to help keep it stable? Things of that nature. Just wanted to share with the community of my recent Goodwill find. I think it's pretty awesome. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We want you to be a part of our growing No Pros RC community. And until the next video, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to watch this video, and y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.